So, working in executive positions, while working in executive positions for various companies, the biggest challenge which I have noticed in candidates or even employees. I'm talking about the tech employees or especially like the data team members is, and I've seen this in the new generation even more. The biggest challenge I've seen is the problem solving skills. Okay, they are very good SQL programmers, they are very good Python developers, they are very good uh, Power BI engineers, data analysts, even data scientists, machine learning engineers. But what they lack the most is the problem solving skills. And that's the problem I wish I can resolve. And that's the problem I wish I can address by large at scale and generate uh, some quality outcome. Okay, because in today's world, right, where technology tools everything is being developed at rapid scale and rapid speed, I'm sorry, excuse me, um, the only thing which you need to know is problem solving. Okay, doesn't matter how you solve it. You have to understand one thing: your CEO or even your customer or even your user or stakeholder, they do not care how you solve the problem as long as you are providing the solution for their pain. And that's what you have to focus on. Don't get caught up in technology and tools. Listen, tools and technology always come and go. Okay, what's today considered as shiny bullet, let's say for an example generative AI, which is considered as shiny bullets, people are paying more money if you mention AI in your pitch, in your resume, in your interview. Tomorrow it will be something else. Okay, just 6 to 8 months before it was Web3, right? That was a shiny bullet, everybody was talking about it, every company was asking for it. Today is AI and Gen AI, especially. 6 months down the line, it will be something else. Okay, it's just a matter of one of these big tech companies rolling out their own new terminology, stack, framework, whatever. So don't get caught up with tools and technology. What you want to focus on, especially if you're trying to break into tech, what you want to focus on is the problem solving skills. Okay, doesn't matter how you solve that problem. Okay, what you want to focus on is solving the problem which your customer has. When I talk about customer, I'm not necessarily talking about the end consumer of your product. I'm talking about the most immediate consumer. Maybe your CEO, maybe the VP of sales, maybe your program manager, product underwriter, whoever. Okay, as long as you solve their problems with your skill set, it could be Python, it could be SQL, it could be simple Excel. As long as you solve their problems, you are a hero. You are a hero. And that's what companies look for. Doesn't matter what they ask in the interviews. Okay, because in interviews most of the companies are looking for rocket scientist, which is another topic, and I'll make another video on that. But to be a rock star, to climb the ladder, to become one of that top performer in your field, what you need to possess as a skill is a problem solving skill. And that's what you should go after rather than specific tool and technology. Listen, tool is important, technology is important. Okay, but I've seen hundreds of engineers who are very good programmers, very good developers, but when it comes to critical thinking and problem solving skills, they lack it. Okay, as a leader, as a tech leader, What I look for is which programmer can solve my problem. I don't care how they solve it, okay? But they need to find the solution. Whether they use Python or C Sharp or Java or Excel, I do not care. As long as they solve the problems, that's what matters. And it's not just me, it's for the most of the leaders. Your CEO, your COO, your president of your company, they are not interested in how good you are in writing store procedures. They are not interested in learning your technical concepts. What they are interested in is how you're solving their problem and how you're giving the solution to their pain. So focus on problem solving. Don't get caught up with tools and technology and all these shiny bullets. This may sound simple, but many experienced people as well make this mistake to run after technology and specific tool. And the moment that tool or technology becomes irrelevant for the industry, they themselves become irrelevant. Problem solving is the key. Always remember that.